How to view age-restricted videos on YouTube in 2025 safely and legally.
Hello guys.
Sometimes you come across a YouTube video that's marked as age-restricted. It could be a documentary, a sex education video, or content that deals with sensitive topics. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to view these age-restricted videos safely, legally, and within YouTube's rules. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. You must be signed in to a Google account that confirms you are over 18. To check your age, go to myaccount.google.com/personalinfo and scroll to your birthday section. If it's under 18, update it and re-verify your age with an official ID if asked. Step 2. Turn off restricted mode. Sometimes videos don't show up because restricted mode is turned on. To fix this, go to the bottom of the YouTube homepage or tap your profile icon in the app. Tap Settings, General, Restricted Mode, and toggle it off. Step 3. Watch the video now. Simply return to the video and try again. If it's age restricted but allowed under guidelines, it should now play normally. YouTube might still block some videos that violate policy, and that's by design, to keep the platform safe and respectful for all viewers. Remember, this guide is for watching educational, medical, or documentary-style content, not explicit or adult-only media. YouTube is not a platform for pornographic content, and trying to upload or access such material can get you banned. If this helped you access age-restricted but educational videos, give it a like and subscribe for more useful tutorials on YouTube and online safety.